Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the multi-globe function in the Earth 3D map application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find your account. Press on it and you can just press on multi-globe here and you can just see the second Earth basically in the bottom half of your screen, and here you can just change the position basically, and the multi-globe is going to stay basically like it. You can see the first image of the Earth is going to stay the same, and the second you can just modify it. Basically you can zoom in wherever you want and visit places, for example, and the first is going to just stay the way it is. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.